So today we have a private lesson booked with Sedona and her family, and they want to be recorded and they want to be on YouTube, so let's see if we can get them turning all down plaza. That would be pretty sick. Yeah, let's see what happens. So you guys have the choice if you want to do like an actual introduction or if you just want me to film you.
So do you want to do an introduction? I don't care. Yes or no? Sure. Okay, we'll do it. Wait, what? Oh, no, never mind.
You just be like, hi, my name's...
Sure.
You can go. Yeah, camera's rolling. Go for it.
I'm Sedona and we're from Florida.
Yeah. And I'm Blade. Oh.
It's okay, it's 360, I'll follow you.
Yeah.
It's all good. Cool, so we're going to go from here to the second orange sign. So slow down, we're going to stop there, and then I'm going to show you into where the chicken Easter hut place is. Okay? Sweet. Whenever you're ready. I'll just sort of ride behind you and I'll just be like in between you. Whenever you're ready. Got the stick of truth. Lower. And you should be able to see just on the bottom right in there. You see him? Just in here? Just in there. You see it, the hen? It's got a bit of snow on him. Yeah, there you go. Pretty cool.
Yeah.
Okay, when we're ready to go, we're going to go dead straight through this gap in the trees. Okay, we're going to go quite fast to get up and over the other side. We're going to keep our board dead straight. That's okay. I'll help you if you get stuck. It's okay.
Alright.
Okay. So from here, the board's got to go dead straight, up and over and through the gap. Just mind your brother. It's like you stay to the left of him. That's it, you're almost out. So as I go down here, I'm just going to stay on my heel side. But if I look up towards the trees, there's a snowboard straight away.
Oh, I see it.
So there's a snowboard here.
Yep.
There's another one there. There's another one there. Another one there.
Okay.
So you can go a little bit ahead of me. You can just start following one of the paths.
Yeah.
Just stay on our heel edge so we can just lift our toes very gently to go down. And then stop every now and again, just have a look around. You can see all the snowboards. That's okay, even if you sit down, just have a look. You can spot them all. Just like the magic carpet, it's nice slow movements.
Oh my gosh.
That's okay. Yeah, you just see all of the boards on all of the trees. Now, here comes it. Okay, stand up. Just grab onto me.
Right.
Sweet.
Oh my gosh.
Okay. Go again.
Okay.
Okay, you're up.
Yeah, I'm up.
And as soon as I turn around, I'm down. See all the snowboards made? going whenever you're ready. I'll follow Sedona for a little bit. Sweet, all the way down to the secondary sign. So we're going to go down here, we're going to turn right onto whoop-de-doo it's called, and then we've got the wall. So for us, when we go up the wall, we're going to go up onto it toe side, and then as we run out of speed, we're going to go onto our heel side and come out. That's for me and you. For you, you're going to be going up onto your heel side, and then as you run out, see if you can get onto your toe side or just slide down your heel side, whatever you prefer. Okay? So if you guys want to come down, and then I'll ride it first, and then I can record you going as well. Wait there, if you watch, I'll show you what it looks like. Nice. If you keep going, you can come back up it again if you've got enough speed. That's all right. See how far high you can get. Go up, 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 up onto the heels. Nice.
I didn't really get that.
Yeah, see if you can get up there. Yeah. Woo! That's alright, you got up quite high, you always go to the top. So, good lesson, bad lesson?
Good lesson. Great.
What was your favourite bit?
Favorite bit?
Maybe the wall.
Yeah,
or,
mine was also the wall.
The
or
wall?
the graveyard.
The wall of the snowboard graveyard, yeah.
I just like the wall because I went the highest.
You did indeed. You literally got to the whole way to the top of it, which is pretty sick.
Yeah.
That's all good. We got to see some stuff.
It's fun.
Yeah, any last words?
No.
Anything you
He's
want
the
to
best instructor here.
Oh wow, sweet.
Yeah.
Anything you want to say to your mum?
Love you.
Yeah, I love you, Mom.